Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be decorating this tea light holder. I'm giving this as a gift to my fellow dot painting artist in Secret Santa game. Hope she likes it and wait till the end of the video to watch what I received in return, and let's get started. So here I have measured the space as 10 centimeter, but mine was 7.5 centimeter. So I'm just checking the end and I'm just connecting it across. After this, I'm just measuring 1 centimeter on either side on all the sides of the square, and I'll just be connecting it. And now on the end I'm also measuring 1 centimeter and I'm just connecting it across. Now I'm applying green color dots on the corners. There will be 2 rows of green color dots, and also in the center 2 centimeters I have applied the masking tape. So the main inspiration of this piece is Tulasi Madam. Tulasi plant will be placed in many of the households here in South India, and they worship it during the morning, during their prayers and any other occasions. People correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below. So that was one of my inspiration for this piece, and I have selected colors according to it. Now I'll be dotting 3 rows of white color and then 3 rows of lime yellow color. The first white row has been placed on the 1 centimeter mark. I had measured 1 centimeter from the end. So there will be 2 lines of 1 centimeter. So the first row is placing on 1 centimeter and the next 5 rows will be placed within the next 1 centimeter mark. So this way the design will be placed within the measurements. For the markings or the guidelines, I had used a normal pencil. I had an idea like once painting has been completed, I'll just apply brown color on top wherever the markings was visible, and I'll just varnish it. But unfortunately, once varnished, the marking came visible, like the markings was visible through the painting. If I had to place it very closer, I can see the markings. So please be careful while using normal pencil. Please better not use a normal pencil, rather use a glass pencil or any watercolor pencil for your guidelines. Also this piece was 7.5 centimeter in height. So once I started to paint, I didn't bother about the height and I just painted it through, but I just found it very difficult to place my hands and paint. So I would just say it would be better if you have a box or any other material which is of same height, so that you can rest your hands over it. This way your hands won't pain and you will feel very much comfortable throughout your painting. So make sure you have something over of the same height when you paint. Same height or approximately of, like here it is 7.5 centimeter, at least 5 centimeter of height. If you have any material like box or anything, you can place your hands over it and you can start painting it. Now I'm just repeating the same way, but just a half portion of it. So on either side there will be half portion on the corner. Now I'm just starting to paint the swishes. I have chosen light green color representing Tulasi plant. Also make sure the swishes land within the 2 centimeter mark. Since there is a small space available, I'm just doing this particular design. If there had been a more space, I would have planned some other design too. This is how it looks once after completing. I just loved it. Even though it is simple, it was very pretty once after completion. The dimensions was very perfect. Now coming to the interesting part of the pattern. For the center, I have drawn a pattern of Kambi Kolam or Sikh Kolam. So I am used to this kind of drawings or the columns from my childhood. I used to decorate in front of my house. This month being December and it's an auspicious month, I just thought of decorating the center portion with this Kambi Kolam pattern. So for this column, we would need 13 dots. I had wrongly measured it. It would have come to 14 dots. For the second row, I'm just placing 2 dots, leaving 1 dot at the center. So this kind of column will be drawn using rice flour so that the ants can eat by or any other insect can eat it. But nowadays we are not using rice flours much and we are using chemical substances. So if you are a new person or a new beginner trying these patterns with the rice flour, it will take a lot of time and you have to concentrate a lot while drawing this. This is my normal speed of drawing this pattern. And now using the paint, it will take a lot of time. Why? Because in a paint brush, you have to be very careful so that the lines doesn't get thicker. This specific pattern is being drawn generally as a border columns in most of the designs. We will have a column, a big column in the center. We will have like 15 or 30 or 50 dots and we'll draw a column in the center and we'll decorate this border columns on the borders of those designs. And yes, this was the mistake I had been talking earlier. I'm just erasing the markings by painting over it with brown now. You could see like the markings has gone away. And now for the gaps, wherever it is available, just place the dots there so that the design is complete now. On the top, what I had done is I had placed white color dots. I had used 3D outliner to place these dots, and then I'm just placing blue color dots here on the corners. For the space available, I just planned of decorating it with again Kambi Kolam, but later realized like why don't we tell or why don't we request the other dot painting artist whoever is gonna receive this to complete that particular pattern so that it will be much more personalized. So I just left it blank here and I have just sent a letter to her to, if you can fill it up with the design, you can please fill it up. Now this piece is fully complete. Hope you like this pattern. Now let's move on to my gift reveal video. So we all organized an online meeting where we opened our gifts together, and I received my gift from Shubhangi from Shunya. You would have seen her in my collaboration video, and I just loved this piece. The design was very intricate and the colors were vibrant. Thank you so much, Shubhangi. I just love the gift. And if you had liked this video, please do comment, like and subscribe to my channel. This motivates me to put a lot of more videos. And thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.